morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. Hopefully you are fine and doing great at your home with your families and you are enjoying your winters. Okay, so the day today is Thursday 17th December 2020. This is your English grammar lecture and I am your English teacher Anam. Our today's topic is letter writing. We will learn how to write the letter. Okay, first of all you're going to maintain your page. You will write topic and after that you will write exercise, write a letter to your mother about your studies. Then now we will learn how to write a letter. To start a letter, first of all we will write address and after that you will write city and then date. What comes next? Here is an example how you will write date, address and city. For example, I write here house number 110 Mohammedia Colony, comma, and after that Bahawalpur full stop. Date is 17th December 2020. So this is the address, city and date. Now we will write the person to whom we are writing the letter. For example, if I am writing a letter to my uncle, I will write here uncle, but you are writing letter to your mother. So we will write here dear mother. What comes next? Here comes the body of the letter. What will come in the body? First you will write greetings, for example Assalamu alaikum, and after that you will inform about your health. You will tell your mother, when you are writing a letter you will tell your mother about their health, about your health, and you will ask about her health. For example, I am fine and I am hoping that you are also fine or doing great. Okay, after that you will now you will inform about your result, that your result has been announced and you got which position you got. You will tell that for example, I got second position or third position or maybe it's fourth. What is the reason of getting low marks? You got the position you got is not what you expected. So what is the reason behind your low marks or less marks? You can write here that due to some spelling mistakes, or you forgot some question, or due to your mathematics wasn't you didn't solve some questions properly. What efforts you are making, you will write that. For example, you are taking extra classes or you are taking help from your classmates or your teachers, etc. You can write here. At the end you will write regards. For example, take care, Allah Hafiz, say my regards to father, or love to sister and brother, etc. You can write here. What comes in the end? In the end you will write relation to whom you are writing a letter. For example, if I am writing a letter to my brother, I am his sister. Okay, if I am writing a letter to my sister, I am his sister. If I am writing a letter to my parents, I will write your daughter. Okay, so what comes here? Your daughter, your loving daughter, you can also write here. After that will come comma, and in the end you will write your name. Okay, so this was our letter. How you will write the letter, I know you that it is easy. After this much explanation, you can write it on your grammar notebooks and share image of your work. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number.